So hi guys, today I want to do a taste test of the outrageously chocolatey custard cream biscuity egg from M&S. Looks like that. Now this is one of the Easter eggs. You'll have seen me do a taste test of the other one. This is one of the ones that came in my Ocado haul. But I actually wanted to try this last year. But I only found out about the eggs after Easter. As you can see, that's what it looks like. And it's got biscuit through it. I like the chocolate. And does taste like custard cream, but it also reminds me of Kinder chocolate. I mean, yeah, it really does remind me of Kinder chocolate. I'll definitely buy another one of these. But guys, thank you for watching the taste test. See you later. Bye.